Okay, Chef Julian, what are we doing today?
We are doing to cook this recipe.
Cook a recipe? What is it?
It's the same thing you just called.
What is it? We got green beans.
Yes.
We got some noodles.
Yes.
Chicken flavored noodles, and we got some
Chicken.
baked chicken. Yeah. And what's your name?
Julian.
Nope.
Julian Chef.
Chef Julian. And what's my name? What's my name?
Julian Chef.
No, your name's Chef Julian. My name is
Jordan Chef.
Chef Jordan, right?
Yeah.
That's what you called me a while ago.
Chef Jordan?
And we are... Those burners aren't on. Don't worry, those burners aren't on. And we are the house chefs tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, give me a high five. Okay, how old are you, bud?
4.
4 years old? You're almost done with Head Start. You're going to do pre-K next year, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Chef Julian, go to school.
Hey, sing your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, M, O, P, M, O, P, Q, R, S, Q, U, E, W, X, and Y, and Z.
Oh, awesome. Can you count your numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you go past that?
1,
11,
11, 12, 14,
13,
16.
14, 15.
No, but we do
Hey,
names.
okay, how do you spell your name?
Julian.
How do you spell Daddy's name?
O-N-J-O.
R
O
D
D
A
A
N
M
N.
N.
Yeah, good job. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.